In the bustling city of Neotech, a place where technology and innovation thrived, lived a young engineer named Jamie. Jamie worked at a leading technology company called Future Visions, where they were part of a team developing artificial intelligence, AI, systems that promised to change the world. One day, Jamie was assigned to a project that aimed to revolutionize healthcare using AI. The goal was to create an AI system capable of analyzing vast amounts of patient data to diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy and speed. The system would also help doctors develop personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcomes significantly. Jamie was thrilled at the prospect of helping save lives and dove into the project with enthusiasm. As the team worked diligently, they saw how AI could transform healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer could be detected in their earliest stages, even before symptoms appeared, allowing for timely intervention. Jamie envisioned hospitals with shorter wait times, where AI systems assisted doctors by providing instant access to a patient's medical history and suggesting the best course of action based on the latest medical research. But as the project progressed, Jamie began to ponder the ethical implications of this powerful technology. What if the AI system made a mistake? How could they ensure that the AI's recommendations were always in the best interest of the patient? Jamie knew that while AI was incredibly powerful, it was not infallible. To address these concerns, Jamie and the team implemented several safeguards. They designed the AI system to work alongside doctors, providing recommendations that were always reviewed by a human professional. This way, the expertise and intuition of doctors could complement the AI's analytical power, creating a system that was both efficient and reliable. Another ethical challenge Jamie faced was the issue of data privacy. The AI system needed access to sensitive patient information to function effectively. Jamie was determined to protect this data and implemented stringent security measures to ensure it was used responsibly and with patient consent. The team also worked hard to eliminate any biases in the AI system, testing it rigorously to ensure it treated all patients fairly, regardless of their background. Outside the workplace, AI was becoming increasingly prevalent in Neotech. Self-driving cars roamed the streets, virtual assistants helped people manage their daily tasks, and smart home devices optimized energy usage. Jamie noticed that while these technologies offered numerous benefits, they also raised important ethical questions about privacy, job displacement, and the growing influence of AI on personal decisions. Determined to address these issues, Jamie became an advocate for AI literacy, organizing workshops to educate the community about AI's capabilities and limitations. Jamie emphasized the importance of transparency and accountability, urging people to ask questions and engage in discussions about how AI should be integrated into their lives. Through their journey, Jamie realized that the future of AI depended not only on technological innovation but also on ethical responsibility. By considering the potential risks and actively addressing them, Jamie and the team at Future Visions were able to harness AI's benefits while safeguarding against its pitfalls. In the end, Jamie learned that AI was a powerful tool with the potential to bring about significant positive change. But it required careful stewardship and a commitment to ethical principles. Jamie's work in Neotech demonstrated that when used responsibly, AI could indeed create a better world for everyone.